We want to find the modulus of the vector 3i minus 4j plus 2k, giving our answer as a surd. Using the result of the last example, we know the modulus of 3 minus 4, 2 is given by the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 squared. Note we don't need to use the minus 4 because minus 4 all squared will give us the same result as 4 squared. So this is the square root of 9 plus 16 plus 4, which is root 29. We now want to state a unit vector in the direction 3i minus 4j plus 2k. In the same way as before, we do 1 over the modulus multiplied by the vector itself. This is in column vector form, or in ijk form, 1 over root 29 times 3i minus 4j plus 2k. You need to be fluent with both forms. Remember, the vector itself preserves the direction. Doing 1 over the modulus times the vector makes it into a unit vector.